Okay, tomorrow you understand? This tomorrow. I have not even checked when.
You've not checked that table?
I just checked and said that the first papers are 26. I was like 26.
Tomorrow, so I just look for one course that is related to mine. I just put it in that tomorrow. Maybe I won't go by 12 tomorrow. Don't give me scope now. Don't give me scope now.
How you imagine now? We got that day side now.
So now if you get exam, the day you don't feel like coming, go right after your timetable, say you get that exam.
But anyway, you no get exam, you know they come normal. Normal, I know they bust, you know they falling. If they come ask where you want this exam now, go. No go get one mind.
I was saying, you know that Thursday I didn't come now.
We've taken that
Friday,
from the end, not from the beginning.
So, hey.
They ask us where you're writing your exam just in case. Where are you telling them?
They won't ask.
Just in case.
I will tell you, I never know. So now I can find out later. What did they say now about that guy?
In the land of Father.
No, I can still tell them it's here, but you know it's pen on paper. There's no way you can finish your your favorite color.
I'll tell them it's there, sure.
I like red. I like her for long nails. It's always very cute.
Very tender, very nice.
See my dry skin. I come to that thing I won't climb.
I'm going to ask you down and sanitize. Sanitize down.
Now, even this my guy is very particular about your nails, your toenails especially.
Toenails, yeah.
Your toenails and down there.
Also, the Regina. That's a WhatsApp group you did.
If I go to his house, now first time you start looking at my leg, you look at me from my toes. You don't get to the top. I'm like, you're not serious. Say no, I'm very particular about toes in case I want to solve them.
He has toe fetish.
You like licking toes when you're making house. You know, you have to lick all the lickables, lick all the plates, all the spoon.
Abigail come, stay well, know what they do for you.
Actually, talk rubbish.
Abigail come, you're going to press button for you because how do we say all that thing? Trying to put me on imaginary way now. You know you're sexy, I don't know. Damn, there was this